Olá, pessoal! Oh, my friend has arrived! O meu amigo chegou! Or should I say, meu amigo chegou? O meu amigo chegou? Or meu amigo chegou? Oh, my friend is waiting! Welcome back to Playing Portuguese, where we learn how to speak like a Brazilian. If you're new to our channel, subscribe, catch up on the videos I have missed. I'll get the door. In today's lesson, you will learn when the definite articles o, a, os, as, equivalent to the, is optional and when it's not. Vamos começar? Today I'm having some friends over. Let's see who has arrived and who hasn't. O Paulo chegou. O André está aqui. O Samuel disse que não vem. A Carol também chegou. A Maria está vindo. Well, the use of definite articles before names is optional. Yes, it varies from speaker to speaker, from region to region, from generation to generation. So in Brazil, you may hear O Paulo chegou or Paulo chegou. I know that some of you are like, oh, what a relief, I don't have to think, like, the Paul has arrived. I can say, like, Paul has arrived. Paulo chegou. Yes, you can. Yes, in some places in Brazil, the definite article before names is not used. It's optional. So, Paulo chegou. André está aqui. Samuel disse que não vem. Carol também chegou. Maria está vindo. Yes, you don't need to use an article before proper names. Yes, that's optional. Esta bicicleta é do Paulo. So, if the use of article before names is optional, then I can say esta bicicleta é de Paulo. O André é namorado da Carol. Or, André é namorado de Carol. I use the definite articles with proper names. I do, but you don't have to. The use of definite articles is also optional before possessive pronouns. Meu, seu, nosso, minha, sua, nossa, meus, seus, nossos, minhas, suas, nossas. So, for example, I could say, os meus amigos são os melhores. Or, meus amigos são os melhores. A minha festa está animada. Minha festa está animada. Where can I park my car? Onde posso estacionar o meu carro? Onde posso estacionar meu carro? Estacione o seu carro na garagem. Estacione seu carro na garagem. A nossa festa vai até a meia-noite. Nossa festa vai até a meia-noite. So again, the use of definite article with possessive pronouns is optional. But not always. There is a specific situation where the use of definite articles with possessive pronouns is mandatory. Yes, for example, a sua casa é grande, a minha casa é pequena. If I don't want to repeat the word casa in the second sentence, I must skip the article. So I could say, a sua casa é grande, a minha é pequena. Can I say, sua casa é grande, but a minha é pequena? Yes, you can. But you must say, a minha é pequena, because you are omitting casa. Let's see another example. O meu carro é azul, o seu é verde. Or, meu carro é azul, but o seu é verde. I can't omit this O, yeah? A sua gata é branca, a nossa é cinza. Sua gata é branca, a nossa é cinza. There's a song by a famous Brazilian artist, Chico Buarque, in which he sometimes uses the definite articles with possessive pronouns and sometimes not. Take a look. O meu pai era paulista. Meu avô pernambucano. O meu bisavô mineiro. Meu tataravô baiano. Yes, so as you can see, sometimes he uses o meu and sometimes meu. Well, here he's mentioning where his ancestors were from. His father, his grandfather, his great-grandfather, his great-great-grandfather, sometimes using the definite article, o, and sometimes not. Why did he do that, Bia? Shouldn't we aim for some consistency when learning a new language? You should, unless you're a poet and you're writing a song in which you want that each line has 7 syllables. Yes. Well, counting syllables in a poem is a bit different. You should count up to the last stressed syllable. This is just curiosity, okay, guys? I will exemplify it to you. Let's take a look at the first line. So, o meu pai era paulista. So I should stop here because it's the last stressed syllable. 7 syllables. 7 syllables. Meu avô Pernambuca. 7. The next. O meu bisavô Minei. 7. Meu tataravô Baiano. 7 syllables. If he had used the definite articles in all lines, he wouldn't have kept this 7-syllable structure. He took advantage of this flexibility in the rules. Yes? Well, by the way, in this song, he mentions a lot of Brazilian artists. If I were you, I would check it out. And if I were you, I would also share this video with others. Well, the more, the merrier. Thank you for watching another lesson, and it's always a pleasure to have you here. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!